Hi, my name is Bernhard Eisinger and I'm the pastry chef in TINE. Today I'm gonna tell you how to use TINE Brunost, also called the caramel cheese, into your daily life. The Norwegian caramel cheese is very unique, both in taste but also how you use it. You can cook it, you can bake it, you can sprinkle it on the top of a favorite drink, but also you can use it as a snack. Let's start how you're gonna use the caramel cheese in your baking application. Use your favorite recipe, and in the end of the kneading process you add the cubes of the caramel cheese, because it gives you the perfect blend of taste and the visual effect in your final product. If you want to dissolve the caramel cheese in ice cream or sauces, then you have to grate it. Sliced caramel cheese can be used on a sandwich, on crackers, in a toast, or just as a snack. We even have a spreadable version of the caramel cheese. It is super nice, soft, and it gives you the same benefits as the ordinary caramel cheese. My best advice as a pastry chef is be creative. Use this marvel of ingredients to create new dishes, because at the end everything tastes better with TINE Brunost.